customer called and they have slime. So I've already put a treatment on there. Now what I'm gonna use a steamer. I'm gonna put it on top of it and see if I can't get it to come out. So give me a second here, I'll get the steamer set up. So this is homemade slime, and I'm gonna use this steamer right here, put on top of it to see if I can't get it to soften up and break up. So we'll let it sit there, that's on half of it. Or get it scooted over a little bit more. So this may take a few minutes. I'll let that go. I'm gonna stop it for a minute and I'll come back. I'm still letting it steam. It's probably been about 2 minutes. As you can tell, it's steaming. So let me scoot it to this side for a second. Let's see if we can get anything to transfer on. So here's a white towel. Let's see if we can get any transfer on here. Yeah, it's wanting to come off. So Anton, give me your scraper blade, please. So as your transfer, it's like goop. So let's see. Our trusty Devastator little tool here. Yeah, you see how that is? Look, wipes right off. Let's see, look at this. Takes it right out with the steamer. So I'm gonna put it back on right here real quick. Give it a minute. And I'll come right back. I just had to adjust my stuff here and get this pushed over. Oh, so it's taking that out. So let me see. Get a close up here. I don't want to damage the carpet at all, but look at that. It's taking it from deep inside the carpet. So there's more. Looks like snot, actually feels like snot too. Not that I would know what that felt like, but let's get it up, see if I can get it away from the wall. Here's more. And then scoot it over here. So this is the other part of it, the other half. So let's see. Bring it right out. Look. It's almost all the way out. Let me put this back on here, let it heat up some more. So it's been about, I probably have about 7 minutes into the video with cutting it off and turn it back on because we're doing other things in here. So let's see how it's going. So we still have some up against the wall here. Not much I can do about, oh, I might be able to get it off the baseboard. So see what I can do. Let me get this off real quick. There's your slime, look. Well, it's not yours. Got to give it to the customer when I'm done. Or the kids. Getting out these cracks is the hard part. Just work on it. The steam really does a good job with it. This is going to be the homemade stuff. I think that stuff that's might have acrylic in or something. Might be it'd probably be a lot different outcome than this. I'm gonna be careful not to mess our carpet up. So I took it off the baseboard. Let me give it a wipe here. Okay, so it's off of the baseboard. You're gonna be quite happy. A little bit of green left here. It could just have more slime because it doesn't look like the color stuck. So let's see, it's this green right here if I can get it out. Yeah, it's still more slime coming out. It's pretty embedded. But you get the picture. Just showing you that using these little heaters, these little steamers work. Thanks for watching.